Hi friends, Adab, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, and welcome to Tech Essentials. This is your friend Sadik, and today I'm going to show you a solution to one of the biggest problem we face while using a smartphone, and that is of course transferring your files, your pictures, your videos from your smartphone to your PC or a laptop. There are tons of videos available on YouTube. There are a lot of softwares available on YouTube or in app, Google app, which you can download and you can achieve this. Well, today I'm going to show you the easiest, the simplest and the quickest way how you can transfer files wirelessly. You heard it right, friends. So I will tell you what is the easiest, the simplest and the quickest way to transfer phones from your phone, the smartphone, to your PC or a laptop wirelessly and quickly. So a lot of times what happens is there are a lot of ways. One basic thing that what we do, we all do, is use this kind of a cable. If you are the regular Android phone user, connect this cable to your laptop or a PC and then browse to your phone, copy the content from your phone and paste it. However, the main challenge that we all face, even I faced that challenge when I came back from my trip, was it takes hell lot of time to do that. So if you have a lot of pictures, big files, huge videos, then it takes a lot of time to transfer those files, because it has to go through the wire and then USB. There are limitations, and hence you end up spending a lot of time transferring this file. So without further delay, let me show you how to transfer your videos, your files or your pictures wirelessly, and also without any internet connection. Yes, does it sound interesting? I think yes. So folks, there are three basic requirements to achieve this task. One, definitely you need to have a smartphone, any phone. I'm using a Samsung A6 Plus. Then you need obviously the destination where you install or you copy your files, that is a PC or a laptop. And third, we need to download and install one app into your smartphone. I'm going to show you which is this app, how easy it is to install this app and how easy it is to use. It's a file transfer protocol app, and it is one of the easiest and simplest app I have come across. Alright, so yes, these are your three requirements. One, smartphone, obviously, because it will have Wi-Fi, since I'm talking about transferring files wirelessly. Two, your PC and or a laptop, and your PC and a laptop should also be Wi-Fi enabled. So folks, nowadays, you know, almost every laptop is Wi-Fi enabled, so I don't think so that should be a challenge. Yeah, sometimes our desktop, the PC computer at home, might not be Wi-Fi enabled, so no sweat. I have a very simple solution. There are a lot of dongles, this kind of USB dongles available in the market, which are very cheap, starting from 250 to 300 to 400 max. Go to the market, go to any shop that you have, electronic store at your local place, pick that one, and installing this is very easy. Just connect to your PC or a laptop. If it is not Wi-Fi enabled, the Windows 10 automatically detects it, and then it installs it automatically. Just 5 minutes of time, I'm sure there will be no issues. So yeah, here's the solution. So the first is your smartphone, the second one a PC or a laptop which is Wi-Fi enabled. Third, you need to download one app from the App Store, and then we are good to go. Right, once these requirements are met, we are ready to start sharing files. Alright folks, let me show you practically how to achieve it. Alright, and I'll take you this step by step. I'll show you on my smartphone what are the requirements, what are the things that you need to do, very basic things that you need to do and keep in mind while you're performing this task. And once you complete on the smartphone, then I'm going to switch on to my desktop computer, which is Wi-Fi enabled through this kind of a dongle, and sync my smartphone to the desktop, and then I will practically show you how to transfer files from your phone to your PC or my desktop. Alright friends, let me not further delay this and show you practically how to achieve this. Keep watching. Alright friends, so let's start. So the first requirement, like I said, is to install an app onto your smartphone. This is an Android phone, so just go to your App Store, okay, and then search for FTP file transfer there, and then look for this, the first app with the folder, the yellow folder which says Wi-Fi FTP transfer from Medha apps. Very important that you select the right app. So again, the first one, Wi-Fi FTP server. So I'm going to click that, right? Since I had already tried on this smartphone, it's not asking me to download, but if you are trying for the first time, it will download the software, then it will ask you to install, and I'm just installing this software now on my smartphone. It's a very simple app, folks. It's not going to take much time. Yep, hardly a minute, and now click on open. That's it folks, you don't have to do anything else. Your app is installed, no other settings that you need to do. Right, the next step, this is very important. Like I said before, we're going to transfer files from your phone, or you can also try that on your tab, to your PC or a laptop wirelessly, right, and without an internet connection. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just go to the settings, disable my Wi-Fi first, and then disable my mobile data, which I already have done. And now here is a very important step that you need to do, and you need to perform this very carefully. That is setting up a mobile hotspot on your phone. Some of you folks already know how to do that. However, if you're not aware how to set up, so every Android phone that you have, if you go into settings, you will have the hotspot icon. Just click on the hotspot icon, turn it on, right, done. Right, so now your hotspot is done. Right, so if you just go here again, so go here, hotspot, this is done. Go to settings. If you further want to know the name, set your hotspot, go to just connections, go to mobile hotspot MP3. This is the settings of your app. I have already mentioned the name as test, and I have not given any password. You can change this to whatever you want to. Just type your name and then just save, and then if you want to save password, just type in any password and then just save. I'm not going to put any password here, and not going to complicate. I'm going to keep it very simple. So folks, so here are the steps. So first what we did was we went into apps, we download a file transfer app Wi-Fi FTP server, which is installed. The second one was I went disabled Wi-Fi, and then I went disabled my mobile data, and I turned on my mobile hotspot, and I also configured my mobile hotspot, provided a name to that, so it's easy for me to connect. Alright, so here we are folks. So that's it. Right, this is all you have to do on your smartphone, and once it's done, we just have to now go to your PC and then connect it. Okay, now your app is installed, your hotspot is enabled. The third important thing that you have to do on your mobile phone is to enable your server, the file transfer server. All you have to do is simply push on the start, allow, okay, and that's it. So very important step that you have to remember here is the FTP address, that is FTP://192.168.43.1:2221. I'll repeat this again. The one on my phone is FTP://192.168.43.1:2221. This will differ. So on your phone this will be a different IP address, on different phones it will be a different IP address, right? So remember this. So write it somewhere on a piece of paper before going to your desktop and then connecting and to your syncing to your phone and then transferring your file. So folks, now the next step is to go to your PC or a laptop, sync your PC or a laptop to the smartphone and then start transferring. Alright friends, so far what we have done is we have achieved 3 important tasks, and now the last part of the task: how do you sync your phone to your PC and then transfer your files. So the 3 important tasks that we have achieved so far is download the app from the App Store, right? The second one is to create a mobile hotspot. I created one on my phone, named it as test. The very third and important task that we performed was open the Wi-Fi file transfer app and then hit the start button on the app, and then it gave me a FTP IP address. Yes, so I've made it. I've asked you to be very careful and make a note somewhere. So this FTP IP address differs from phone to phone. So the one on my phone is different, and then if you are doing onto your phone, it's different. So please do not try to use the IP address which is there on my video. It will simply not work. So like I said, the FTP IP address differs from phone to phone. So your phone will have a different IP address. So when you hit the start on the FTP app, you will see that. So make a note of that FTP IP address which starts with FTP://192.168. etc. etc. So make a note of that, keep it handy so it's easy for you to sync your phone with your desktop or your laptop and then transfer the data. Now let's quickly now start transferring and go to the last steps, and then I will show you how to end the task, right? So the first important task that you have to perform on your laptop or the PC is connect to the mobile hotspot. So to do that, simply all you have to do is in the notification area you will see the wireless signals. Simply left click once, you will see the network settings and all available Wi-Fi network or hotspot around you. So like I've told you already, the one I've created is test. I will simply click on that. I haven't given any password, so it will not ask me any password. So hit the connect button, right? So it's connecting. Now it is establishing the connection from your PC and to your smartphone. It is actually creating a channel to transfer the files. So let's wait for this to happen. It's again a matter of a minute or two. It depends on how far you are sitting from your desktop and how far you have kept your mobile phone, and also the kind of adapter you have onto your desktop. So see, it's done, it's connected. So you can see test and limited. So don't worry about this limited one, because it's but obvious. I'm not using any internet connection to transfer these files from my phone to the PC. I'm just using the Wi-Fi connection, and I've already disabled my Wi-Fi and also the mobile data on my smartphone. But obviously we'll see this limited, so do not get worried. This is how it should be. So yep, we have now finished another important task, connecting to our mobile hotspot and establishing a connection between your phone and your PC or the laptop. Now the next one, right, is to now sync your PC and your smartphone through the file transfer protocol. So for that, you don't have to go to Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. Just go to File Explorer, open File Explorer, come here, and remember I asked you to remember the IP address, which is 192.168.43.1, right? So I will start with this. So you need to type as it is, start with ftp://192.168.43.1:2221 and hit the enter button onto your keyboard. Here it is, folks. We have now connected your phone to your desktop computer or your laptop computer, and you can see all the folders of your phone onto your PC or your computer now, right? So you have access to all your files, your folders. Now you can perform whatever task you want to. You can copy any file, any folder from your PC to your smartphone, or the other way, from your smartphone to your PC, vice versa. So the important task that we started was the challenge what we all faced was transferring pictures and videos. So here's the important tip. So remember this. So whenever you capture some pictures or videos onto your phone, it always gets stored into a folder called DCIM. So DCIM. So this is the folder onto your phone. So just double click. So you have the folders inside this. So this is your camera. So go to the camera, and here, folks, here are the pictures that you have clicked onto your phone from your phone, and you have all the pictures available. So select whichever you want to. So I'm selecting 6, copy. Right now it's up to you where you want to store. So most of the time we want to store it onto our desktop. So create a folder. So I will say phone pics, double click. Now right click on this and say paste. That's it, folks. So you can see the files getting transferred from your phone to your desktop wirelessly, right? So you can just double click on one of them. Yep, this is my family picture, and you can see it's all transferred. So folks, this is as simple as get. Keep watching. Alright friends, you saw how simple it is to transfer now files from your mobile phone to your PC or your desktop computer, or even a tab to a PC or a desktop computer by following these simple steps. Hope you enjoyed my video following this step. Do try yourself, follow this, and I'm sure you will be able to easily copy your files, your pictures onto your PC or your desktop computers. So chaliye folks, again thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, share my channel for more of these interesting videos. This is my first video on technology, so I will surely follow up with few more, like I said, tech essentials, the things that are essential in our life. So I will keep following up. I will follow up with further more videos which are definitely needed in our life, and how I can make it simple so people can use the technology in a simple and easiest way. Alright folks, thanks again for watching. Subscribe my channel for such more videos to come. Thanks again, Shabba Khair, and keep watching.